This is our handheld fiber marking machine with 30 watts power. And now, today, I will use it mark on letter. Now, you can see the unit have inside in the machine and the screen is turned on. And today, we mark the logo. Choose this format and click the USB. And here, click the format of the logo, and today is the PLT. Then choose the one you want to mark. This logo is today we want to mark. Then choose here, OK. Then will be like that, and you it in circle and has the green circle, and here is change the logo size, and this is bigger, and I changed this little smaller with a 50, and this is the fit in, and choose this. Then choose the click the it and fit in the data you want to mark, and choose the line direction, and for example I want it like that, and click it. Now the logo like that. Then click here the right side up, right side, and start marking, and return green, right? And you can see here also be the red line system, and show you the logo will be like that. And here I have the button here. Let's click it and start marking. Hold the button, and when it's finished, and like that, you see